Welcome students. In this question you're given that you have a circle 2x square plus 2y square is equal to 5 and you have the parabola y square is equal to 4 root 5x, and you're given the first statement as the common tangent to these two curves is y is equal to x plus root 5. The second statement is y is equal to mx plus root 5 by m is a common tangent to these two curves. Then this equation is valid. M power 4 minus 3m square plus 2 is equal to 0. So now let us try to check whether these statements are valid. So first to find, you can see that these statements correspond. These statements talk about the common tangent to these two curves. First let us find the common tangent to these two curves. So now if you have the circle x square plus y square is equal to 5 by 2, right? What is the general tangent to this circle? Y is equal to mx plus or minus r root 1 plus m square. That is root 5 by 2 times root of 1 plus m square. This is a general tangent of slope m to the circle. What is the general tangent to y square is equal to 4 root 5 into x? General tangent is y is equal to mx plus a by m, right? A is root 5 by m. So this is a general tangent to the circle. This is a general tangent to the parabola. So if I want a common tangent to the circle and to the parabola, so these two lines have to be equal. That means the constants have to be same. So if I square them, so if you have root 5 by 2 times 1 plus m square is equal to root 5 by m. So if I square it on both sides, you get 5 times 1 plus m square by 2 is equal to 5 by m square. So this 5 and 5 gets cancelled. So m square times 1 plus m square has to be equal to 2. M square times 1 plus m square is equal to 2. This is a quadratic in m square. So m power 4 plus m square minus 2 is equal to 0. M square plus 1, m square minus 1 into m square plus 2 is equal to 0. That's the factorization of this. This implies m square is equal to 1 or minus 2. So m square is equal to minus 2 is not valid. This implies m is equal to plus or minus 1. M is equal to plus or minus 1. That means the slopes of the common tangents to these two curves have slopes plus or minus 1. So what are the common tangents? If I put m is equal to plus 1, you get y is equal to x plus root 5. And if you put m is equal to minus 1, y is equal to minus x minus root 5. So these two are the common tangents to the curves. So the first statement, the common tangent is y is equal to x plus root 5 is true. There's no doubt about it. If you go to the second statement, y is equal to mx plus root 5 by m is a common tangent. If this is valid, then this is valid. So as we can see that m square is equal to 1. That should be the condition. So if m square is equal to 1, m power 4 is 1, minus 3 plus 2 is equal to 0. That means this equation is valid. So if this is a common tangent, then this equation is valid, right? So this statement is also true, but statement 2 is not the correct explanation for statement 1, because this m power 4 minus 3m square plus 2 is becoming 0, but this is not the reason why this is the common tangent. This is the reason why this is the common tangent. This is the equation which will be the valid reason for this being a common tangent. So the correct answer will be both the statements are true, but S2 is not the correct explanation for S1. Thank you.